Hi everyone, finally we are back, and today we have the KRIDDO toddler balance bike. This is a great way to help little ones develop balance and coordination before moving to a regular bike. It's for kids from about 18 months to 3 years old. Let's have a look.
Look this.
What's that?
Bye.
Inside we have 2 puncture-proof EVA foam tires, a front fork, the lightweight aluminium frame, the handlebar with soft grips, the adjustable seat, and of course the instruction manual and assembly tools. Let's put it together. Assembling was super easy and it didn't require any complicated tools. In only a few minutes it's ready to go. So what's nice about this little balance bike? It's super lightweight, so kids can handle it easily. The foam tires mean no flats, perfect for indoor and outdoor riding. The seat is adjustable, so it grows with your child. The handlebar grips are soft and comfortable for little hands. The do-it-yourself nameplate is fun for kids to decorate their bike and make it their own. You want to give it a try?
Yeah.
You adjust it, make it seat as high as possible for you. So that's the KRIDDO toddler balance bike. Easy to assemble, fun to ride, and a great way to help toddlers learn balance and coordination. If you're looking for a lightweight and sturdy balance bike, this is a great choice.
Like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.